A true traditional business plan will take time to think through, develop, and write on paper. I believe business plans should be organic. And what I mean by organic is ever changing. So the business plan you write today will need to be measured. Thank you for tuning in to Bible and Business with Brother Juan. I'm a certified Christian business coach and consultant, tax strategist for solopreneurs, and a strategic partner to help you build synergy in your business with bookkeeping. I empower Christianpreneurs to achieve freedom with virtual service-based entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to talk about writing your business plan. Writing your business plan. What is a business plan? A business plan is a document that defines in detail a company's objectives and how it plans to achieve its goals. A business plan lays out a written roadmap for your company from marketing, financial, and operational standpoints. Both startups and established companies use business plans. There is no right or wrong way to write a business plan. What's important is that your plan meets your needs. So today we're going to actually kind of dive into looking at traditional business plans. Traditional business plans are more common. They use a standard structure and encourage you to go into detail in each section. They tend to require a lot more work up front, and they can be dozens of pages long. Business plans help you outline and organize your business, and there are three main reasons why you may want a traditional business plan. If you're looking outside of your business for investors or funding, you may need a traditional business plan. If you are looking to apply for grants, you may need a traditional business plan. Also, you may use a traditional business plan if it will help you as an owner place things on paper in front of you. So let's look at the different sections of a business plan. First of all, executive summary. This section outlines the company and includes perhaps the mission statement, along with any information about the company's leadership, employees, operations, and location. I personally think the executive summary should probably be the last thing that you write, even though it's first on the list. The next section, products, services. Here you can outline the various products or services that you will offer. It may include pricing, the product lifespan or the service lifespan, and perhaps even the benefits that your product or service provides to your customer or the marketplace. The next section is market analysis. You'll need a good handle on your industry as well as your target market. You'll want to detail your competition and how you fit in the industry, along with your company's relative strengths and weaknesses. It will also describe the expected consumer demand for a company's products or services and how easy or difficult it may be to grab a share from those who are already supplying the market. The next section is marketing strategy. This section includes how you will attract and keep your customers and how you intend to reach the market. This section also spells out perhaps the advertising and marketing campaign plans and the types of media your campaigns will use. The next section is financial planning. This section includes the company's financial planning and projections. So things like your financial statements, your balance sheets, and other financial information will need to be included if you have an established business. For new businesses, you want to include your targets and estimates for the first few years of your business. The last section is about budgeting. Every company needs to have a budget in place. This section will include costs related to staffing, developing, manufacturing, marketing, and other expenses related to the business. A true traditional business plan will take time to think through, develop, and write on paper. I believe business plans should be organic. And what I mean by organic is ever changing. So the business plan you write today will need to be measured and compared to what actually happens in the course of your business. Then you'll need to adjust. This is Brother Juan. I'll see you next time.